Hi, welcome to my video. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up to this video and comment, and also hit the notification icon so that you'll be alerted of certain videos as I add them to the channel. So today I'm going to talk about and show you how to do conditional formatting in the MS Excel spreadsheet. Now you'll use conditional formatting when you want to emphasize certain values in cells automatically. So let's take a look at this example. I have an inventory list down here. Let's just focus on column D, which is the quantity in stock. Now, I want to emphasize those items with quantity in stock less than 100. So I want to emphasize those quantity in stock with values less than 100, visually, of course. So how do I do that? I can use conditional formatting. Now, this is how I would do it. So select the affected area. In this case, it's column D. Okay, so there you go. So once you've selected the affected area, click on Home, because Home is where all the formatting commands are. Click on Conditional Formatting and click on Highlight Cell Rules. Just look at all the choices that you have. You can highlight cells with values greater than something, highlight cells with values between something to something, but in this case we want it to be less than. So click on less than. Format cells that are less than. So in this box over here, type 100 with whatever visual format you want. In this case, let's say I want to highlight it in blue. So click on the drop down. We don't have blue as a preset choice in the drop down, so click on custom format. This is font color. I want it to be background color, so click on fill and choose a color. So I want it to be blue, so I'm just going to choose a light blue here and click OK and click OK again. So there you go. As you can see, anything less than 100 has been automatically highlighted in or emphasized in blue. If I change the quantity in stock, for example, I'll make this 200. As you can see, it will remove the conditional formatting, or rather it will change the conditional formatting. If I bring it back to 25, it will re-emphasize in blue. So it's not a one-time thing. In the affected area, the conditional formatting will keep on working for you until you remove it. So that's it, conditional formatting.